Welcome to Nature Explorers, another day, another story. Today we celebrate the International Day of Forests. International Day of Forests is celebrated on March 21st every year to raise awareness about the importance of forests and the challenges they face. Forests cover approximately 1/3 of the world's land area and are home to many species of plants and animals. They also provide vital ecosystem services such as carbon storage, clean water, and air purification. There are also many interesting and curious facts about forests. For example, did you know that the world's largest forest is the Amazon rainforest in South America? It covers an area of approximately 5.5 million square kilometers. Additionally, forests play an important role in regulating the Earth's climate, as they absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and release oxygen through photosynthesis. The Amazon rainforest is home to millions of species of plants and animals, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. Some of the iconic species found in the Amazon include the jaguar, giant otter, anaconda, and capybara. The forest is also home to over 16,000 species of trees and an estimated 2.5 million species of insects. The Congo Basin is the world's second largest tropical forest, covering an area of approximately 1.8 million square kilometers across 6 African countries. It is home to many endangered species, including gorillas, elephants, and chimpanzees, and provides livelihoods for millions of people. The forests are also home to over 10,000 species of plants, including the okume tree, which is an important source of timber. The taiga is the world's largest land biome, covering much of Canada, Alaska, and Russia. It is characterized by its cold temperatures and coniferous trees such as spruce, pine, and fir. The taiga plays a critical role in regulating the Earth's climate by absorbing carbon dioxide. The forest is home to many species of birds, including the black-capped chickadee and the boreal owl, as well as mammals such as moose, wolves, and bears. The boreal forest is a vast forest ecosystem that spans the northern hemisphere, covering much of Canada, Alaska, Scandinavia, and Russia. It is characterized by its cold temperatures and dense forests of coniferous trees. The boreal forest is home to many species of plants and animals, including the Canada lynx, woodland caribou, and black bear. The forest is also an important breeding ground for many species of migratory birds. The boreal forest plays a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate by storing carbon dioxide in its trees and soils. The tropical rainforests of Southeast Asia, which include the forests of Indonesia and Malaysia, are some of the most biologically diverse forests in the world. They are home to many endangered species, including orangutans, tigers, and elephants, and are an important source of timber and other forest products. The forest is also home to many species of plants, including the durian tree, which produces a unique, spiky fruit that is prized for its creamy texture and strong aroma. The temperate rainforests of North America are found along the Pacific coast from Alaska to northern California. They are characterized by their cool, wet climate and are home to many unique species, including the coastal redwood, the world's tallest tree. The forest is also home to many species of birds, including the northern spotted owl and the marbled murrelet. Mangrove forests are found in tropical and subtropical coastal areas and are characterized by their unique ability to grow in saltwater. They provide habitat for many species of fish and crustaceans and protect coastlines from storms and erosion. The forests are also an important breeding ground for many species of migratory birds. The Siberian forests are the largest forested area in the world, covering much of Russia's vast territory. The Siberian forests are home to many species of plants and animals, including the Siberian tiger, brown bear, and moose. The forest is also an important breeding ground for many species of migratory birds. The Mediterranean forests are found in the Mediterranean basin and are characterized by their dry, hot summers and mild, wet winters. They are home to many species of plants and animals and are an important source of timber and including the cork oak and the olive tree. The forest is also home to many species of birds, including the European robin and the common blackbird. The Atlantic forests are found along the eastern coast of Brazil and are characterized by their high levels of biodiversity. They are home to many endangered species, including the golden lion tamarin and the jaguar, and are an important source of timber and other forest products. The forest is also home to many species of birds, including the toucan and the Brazilian teal. However, forests face many risks such as deforestation, climate change, wildfires, and pests and diseases. Deforestation is a significant concern, as it results in the loss of biodiversity, carbon sequestration, and ecosystem services. Climate change is another major threat, as it can lead to more frequent and severe wildfires, droughts, and floods, which can negatively impact forests. In conclusion, International Day of Forests is an important reminder of the critical role forests play in our lives and the need to protect them. We must work together to address the challenges facing our forests and ensure their preservation for future generations. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Nature Explorers today and be transported to a world of adventure, learning, and pure, unadulterated beauty.